Nobody can help you supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. And our idiom, our expression to go along with this year's annual challenge is nobody. A nobody. Nobody can do it except you. Anything we want to accomplish in life. Our topic for the annual challenge today was No Nonsense November, day 18, massive life lessons learned. And one of those is nobody can do anything for us. I mean, they might do things for us, but as far as growing our business, supersizing our business, developing a business, starting a business, having a business, or taking care of our health, everything, anything that involves us is 100% our responsibility, and we need to be accountable and responsible for it and take ownership for that. We know that as business owners and people that own businesses and lead others in organizations. We're accountable and responsible. I remember one of the biggest things that was a struggle for a lot of my coworkers in corporate America was that when people on their team did something wrong or made a mistake, it was ultimately them that had to take ownership of it. Yeah, they needed to then coach and lead the person that made the mistake, but the buck stops with you. Oh, I don't have my background, but I've got a stop sign that says the buck stops with you where I'm recording today. And it reminds me, my dad used to always say that. He was the head of our family, and we were, sometimes we girls would make mistakes, and we'd deal with the consequences of those mistakes, but ultimately, my dad usually paid for the mistakes first, and then we paid him back, if that makes sense. So what is a nobody? What does it mean? Where does it come from? Nobody, the word nobody, no term means to not, you can't see my arm swing, but to not have a body. How do we express ourselves? How do we communicate? How do we create anything without a body? Well, I believe our mind is where everything starts. Our thinking, our beliefs, our thoughts lead to our actions. So the most important aspect of us is our brain and our mind and how we use it. So a nobody has been around since about 1300. And it means that no person or no one, not any, nothing, a non-person, someone who is unimportant. Ouch, that's a zinger. But the truth is, anybody, any person who wants to achieve something in their life can achieve that. We get to decide what our life is going to look like. Does it always feel that way? No, but it is true. And when we accept that and make choices that are in our favor and for ourselves and helping us grow and build our business and creating the type of business we want to make the world a better place, that's when we really know that we're not a nobody, right? Nobody is a nobody. I mean, sometimes we feel like a nobody. Other people might put us down or bully us or belittle us or hate on us, but we're never a nobody. As human beings, we are infinitely valuable, infinitely important, and it's up to us to live up to that in our lives and in our businesses. Love to know your experience with this particular idiom. I think the whole imposter syndrome thing is just us trying to compare ourselves to others and thinking that we don't stack up or that we're not as capable or as competent as other people, which just niggles away at our self-confidence, which really doesn't help us grow and build and supersize our business at all. But the truth is, any one of us has the ability to create the life of our dreams as well as the business of our dreams. We just have to decide, choose, take accountability, responsibility for our choices in our life and the things that work for us, learn from the things that don't, and create what we want to see in the world. That's it. I'm going to get rid of this floating head. I like to have my body with my head because I think together my head, heart, and intuition work best. If I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, share in the comments below your experience with seeing somebody that comes out of the blue that everyone considers a nobody being successful, and think about the examples of how you felt ill-prepared or not as good as other people, but you've proven to yourself that you can create, do, be, and have anything that you want in your life. All right, have an awesome day, and I will, of course, be with you tomorrow.